Very yummy, very creamy. I really enjoy the matcha flavor.
Does it taste like a cheesecake?
Tastes like cheesecake. Yeah, the texture is like cheesecake.